Hi, everyone. It's time for another amazing episode. Please like and subscribe to be part of the fun. This example demonstrates various string operations in Python. It shows how to manipulate and analyze strings using common string methods like len, find, replace, upper, lower, and others. Define a string variable. A string is simply a sequence of characters, which we store in a variable. Here, we define a string variable sentence that holds a sentence we will manipulate. The sentence we'll work with. Length of the string. The len function is used to calculate the total number of characters in the string. We can use this to know how long our string is, which can be helpful for various tasks, like validating text input or processing data. Len returns the number of characters in the string. Access a specific character in the string. Python strings are indexed, meaning each character is assigned a position starting from 0. To access a particular character in the string, we can use the index inside square brackets. Here, we access the first character of the string using index 0, which is t. The character at position 0, which is t. Slice the string to get a part of it. Slicing allows us to extract a part, substring, from the original string. The syntax for slicing is sentence start, end, where start is the index to begin with, and end is the index where slicing stops, but doesn't include that character. In this case, we are extracting the first 3 characters of the sentence. Extracts characters from index 0 to index 2, 3 is not included. Find a specific word or character in the string. The find method searches for a specific substring or character in the string. It returns the index of the first occurrence of that substring or -1 if it's not found. Here, we search for the word fox in the sentence. This will return the starting index of fox. Replace a word in the string. The replace method allows us to replace one substring in a string with another. Here, we replace the word lazy with sleepy in the sentence. Convert the string to uppercase. The upper method converts all the characters in the string to uppercase letters. This can be useful for standardizing the case of text or for emphasis. Converts the entire sentence to uppercase. Convert the string to lowercase. Similarly, the lower method converts all the characters in the string to lowercase letters. This is useful when you want to ignore case differences when comparing strings. Converts the entire sentence to lowercase. Count occurrences of a word or character. The count method counts how many times a particular character or substring appears in the string. This is helpful when you need to analyze the frequency of certain characters or words. In this case, we count how many times the letter O appears in the sentence. Check if the string starts or ends with a specific word or character. The starts with method checks if the string begins with a specific substring. The ends with method checks if the string ends with a specific substring. These methods return true if the condition is met, otherwise false. Here, we check if the sentence starts with the and ends with dog. Checks if the sentence starts with the. Checks if the sentence ends with dog. Now run our code. Wow, you guys are amazing. If you're enjoying this coding journey as much as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. By doing that, you're not just helping the channel grow, you're also making sure you never miss any of my upcoming tutorials. There's so much more coming your way, and I don't want you to miss a single line of code. Let's do this together. Hit that subscribe button right now.